Today I will teach you how to make a paper ring. Making a gorgeous ring which reminds you your old days when you were a child, and you can do it at your house by using only a paper and scissors is so simple if you follow these steps. First, prepare an equal-sized piece of paper. Then, cut it into half. Second, fold the paper into half to make a crease. The third step is to fold in the paper toward the center. Fourth, fold in half again. Now, fold the corner of the paper into the shape of triangle to make a crease, and unfold. Then, push in the corner into the paper. Do it both sides. After that, fold both sides toward the center. Do it both sides again. Next, bend the paper from the lower side to the upper side, like this. Then open it like this and push up the center. Last, bend from the west side to the east side to make a loop. When you get a loop like this, Don't forget to stick a Scotch tape like this. Finally, you will get a precious ring, which you can proudly say to your friend that you made it by yourself and you didn't spend any money on it.